everyone, and welcome to my new web series, Product of the Minute, where I show you what my favorite products are in less than 60 seconds. Here's the Biore Warming Anti-Blackhead Cleanser. It heats and treats, leaving skin clear by targeting blackheads. It retails for under $8, it has salicylic acid in it, and it is absolutely amazing. Didn't exactly know what warming meant when it said that on the packaging, and now I know. When you open it, it is kind of like an exfoliator. It has some small microbeads in it. At first it's normal temperature. Then you rub your fingers together and it becomes hot. And I mean hot. Like, it was shocking. So when you put it on your face, it opens your pores. If you don't like heat, you won't like this, but I like it because you can tell that it opens up your pores and you really get that spa experience with it, unlike any other cleanser from a drugstore or just anything I've ever seen before. It's really, really amazing. If you want that spa-like experience for under $8, get this. Bye!